Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make couscous BruKina. Normally, millet is used when making BruKina, but sometimes you wouldn't find the ready-made one, or you will have to make it from scratch. So without going through all the stress, I often prepare it with couscous. The type of couscous that I use, the whole wheat couscous, so you can find it in almost every supermarket. Apart from the health benefits, I use the whole wheat couscous simply for the color. As you can see, this one is darker in color. It's not like the normal couscous. I'm going to use 1 cup of couscous. I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to it. We are going to cover it until the couscous absorbs all the water. This will take about 30 to 40 minutes. You can see our couscous is now ready. For the BruKina, I'm using creme fraiche. You can use double cream as well if you can't find a creme fraiche. I've got some vanilla yogurt, and then I've got plain yogurt or Greek style yogurt. Last but not the least, some evaporated milk. You can use fresh milk. I like it creamy, so I prefer the evaporated milk. I'm going to mix everything together in one container. See how thick the creme fraiche is. Normally, I don't add the evaporated milk at this point, but because I'm showing you guys, that's why I'm adding it now. Normally, I'll mix everything but without the milk and then store in the fridge. So when I'm serving it, then I'll add my milk. But if you are serving it straight away, you can add your milk at this point. I added some sugar to taste. I'm going to mix until everything becomes smooth. Time to add our couscous. I love this. It is so easy and quick. BruKina is normally not this thick, but because I didn't add all the milk, that's why it's looking like this. So you need to add more milk to make it thinner. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.